Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ann. If you're not, welcome back. And what we do here is a lot of makeup related stuff, like makeup unboxings for subscription boxes. We do makeup tutorials or just makeup looks. Just pretty much anything that is related to makeup. And today, we're going to be doing another unboxing. So this is the August Boxycharm. It is finally here. I am glad. I got my Boxy Premium a few days ago, and I liked it. I thought I was going to like the eyeshadow palette better than I did, but I don't know. It's got a lot of shimmers to it, and I wish they would have thrown in at least a few more mattes, and it could have evened out, but it's only like 4 matte shades in it. But enough about that. And Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription that does cost $25 a month now. They did take like a update a few months back, and so it's $25 a month, but you do get 5 full-size products, and they are from higher to luxury brands, so you're not going to get something that you would go to Walmart and get. So I do like that about them. And they do have like the Boxy Premium for $37, and I'm going to say you get 6 products. You know, the page says 6 to 8 products, but I've never got more than 6. So I'm going to say you get a total of 6 products every month. And then every 3 months, we get the Boxy Luxe for $50 a month. And at first, we did get 9 products in it. And the last 3 times, we've got 8 products. So I'm going to guess we're getting 8 products in it. And which, if you do the math, if you're getting 5 products for $25, that's like $5 a piece. And if you're $37 for 6 products, that's like a total of what, 12 extra dollars for 1 product. I'm not really seeing the math there. I don't really get it, but that is what it is. So I really don't get that. I do believe they should at least throw in 7, and that would round it up almost at $5. It'd be a little over $5 a month, but I think they should at least throw in 7. But I've been with Boxycharm like for a while now. Here is what it looks like. And it is one of my favorite subscriptions. Oh, let's put it. Spa, Gleaming, Sunbath, Yoga, Slumber. So I guess maybe relaxing or something. And mine is number 3. I'm not going to look at anything yet. Lay it to the side. I don't have my Boxy Premium. I did not get a card, which I wish I would have. Okay. Mud Masky. Let me see. And this is their blue light protection mask. It helps shield for harmful high energy visible HEV blue light from laptops, tablets, smartphones, television, LED lights, computer screens. We're getting 60 milliliters, which is 2.0. I have tried. I've got a serum from them that I really do like. And they are PETA certified. They are skin loving ingredients. Okay. Fresh made in Amsterdam. So it is right here. There's the little skin loving ingredients. Okay. So it's good for 12 months. But, okay, let's open it up. I don't know with this blue light. They got a lot of stuff that comes out for the blue light protection. They've got primers. They've got lotions. They've got this and they got that. I don't know how I feel about it. Do we need it or do we not? If the light is bothering our skin, is it bothering our brains like everybody's saying? I mean, just really. Which I don't believe that, but I was somewhere, well, I cannot get this open. I was somewhere the other day and somebody was talking about their internet and all this, that their Wi-Fi was interfering with their head. I asked them what kind of symptoms they was having, and because I just wanted to know. And they said they really wasn't having no symptoms, but they just knew it was that all this stuff was affecting their head, and that they, what? I got it. But it was kind of weird conversation. So here it is. Oh, we got a hair. But it was kind of weird. I kind of started thinking maybe this person, after talking to them, maybe they was not all there. I'm not for sure. It's got like a scent to it, like maybe like flowers or something. I mean, it's going right away, and it feels really, really good. It's very soft, and I mean, my skin's absorbing it like really, really fast. It's like pretty much gone, and I put a lot on. Next item. Ooh. Focus in. Okay. Clarins Paris. This is 01 Velvet Lip Perfection. 12 milliliters, which is 0.3 ounces. And we are getting 01 Velvet Nude. Okay. I wasn't going to put lipstick on because I said, you know, maybe I'll get a lipstick. And I'm not going to put one on. Then I changed my mind. Okay. Kind of different. But it's got a wand. No. So. Let me squeeze it out. There's what it looks like. I don't know if I got it even. Okay, there it is. It looks like it's going to dry down matte. I like the color. It's a very good nude color for when you're not wanting to have bright lips. Like today, I really don't want bright lips today. I can hear my kids fighting. I don't know if you guys heard that. Okay, so the next thing, when I seen this, I kind of thought it was the balm. I don't know why, but I did, because I don't know why. It just, the balm hit my head. But this is the Elizabeth Moult eyeshadow primer. Thank Me Later. And we are getting 10 grams, which is 0.35 ounces. And, oh, it's an eyeshadow primer. I don't know why I'm looking for the color name. Like, come on. This is a pretty good size tube. It's filled up from, like, here down. I can see it through the bottle, like, right in here. And it goes all the way down. And I like Elizabeth Moult's makeup, so maybe I will like this. Okay, got it out. There it is. Just pat it in. It feels good. It looks good. I like the feel of it. Okay. Moving on. Okay, so this is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Conceal, Contour, Highlight, Retouch. We're getting 15 milliliters, and this is 0.50 flow ounces, and I got the color Pearl. When I went to do this, I did pick this item. It's supposed to hydrate. Okay, no, that's all. Okay, hydration, long wear, photo-friendly, non-commodittic. Okay. I was going to get a darker color. I didn't really want it as a concealer. I was going to use it as a foundation, but all the darker colors was already out, so I went ahead and just got it to conceal with. I have heard good things about it. It is thick. Right here it is. It does have like, I mean, I really like the bottle. And here is the Adofa. Pretty good. I'm not really crazy about doofus in my concealers, foundations, or anything like that. Really, I'd rather have a pump bottle if I can pick. But here is the color. As you can see, I done like one dot, and it's like went like, you can like really, it's like full coverage. You can see it's covering my freckles up. And I mean, that's going a long, long way, people. Okay. So, it pretty much almost matches my skin tone. Almost. Not there. So, I will use it as a concealer, but I will like it. I did pick the item. I did want a darker one, though. But I'm always late. I always got everything else in the world to do. And it is what it is. Okay, last item. This is the Butter London Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. So the names, it does have names. And here it is. It's a flip. I like Butter London. Some of their stuff. It does have safety seal. Looking good. Dahlian. So it's 9 shades. Ooh, I like this purple. Okay, we'll do the first row. And this is Freddie, Simon, and Mick. This is Francis, Billy, and Nigel. That's a lot of color. It'd be something you would probably highlight. It ain't really shimmer, it's matte. Then we have Archie, Graham, and it keeps shutting, Rupert. Now, I think it's got, I really, really like the purple. It's probably my favorite color. Then probably Archie, and I do like Simon. Billy's a color I would use. I don't know. Anymore, I mean, I like this, and I will use this. But I have to say, like, anymore, when I do a brown shade, today I've done my eyes. First I done my brows, then I done my eyes, and then I done my foundation, and I quit. And then I ended up going ahead and washing it off because it was like I done browns, and I don't know, some reason I like working with colors, so I went ahead and redone it and ended up doing like pink, and then this went from something to something else. And I was sitting there talking to my husband, drinking a cup of coffee, and I don't know what happened. I changed the whole eye look, but I ended up liking the finished look, though. But I love working with colors all week. I think for the last 7 days, I have done greens. I have done 3 different blue looks. I have done a couple purple looks. I've done a couple different green looks. But I love working with colors. They're so fun, and I don't know, it just makes me feel better. I like the brightness. I just like the way bright colors look. Browns sometimes get a little boring. And how many browns can you really have in your collection? So, for anybody that is scared to play with color, you know, it's something that you would probably like and maybe even enjoy. It just makes like a whole different look. It makes you, I don't know, I just like it. But that is everything we got in our box. I'll set that aside and we'll go over our process real fast. So we paid $25 for the box, and the first item is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Covers Concealer. It was $29. So right there covered your box, and you know, you got made like $4 extra. Then the Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette was $28. So you're almost at like $50 there. And the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector is $26, and the Mud Masky is $54. The Elizabeth Malt was like $20. So this is $100 and some dollars. And so let me see. Maybe like around a little under $150. So you're really getting your money worth with this. And I don't know. I know I'll use the Velvet Lip. I'll use the eyeshadow primer. I know I'll use the concealer. I'll probably use it all. I will use the eyeshadow palette. I probably just won't use it as much as maybe I would use, like, I'd probably use this, like, more than I would that, because this is just fun to work with. I haven't used it in a while, but it's probably been a little bit since I've used it. But I'm about to hit pan here, and about to hit pan here. I'm about to hit pan here, and I can start seeing the ring here. So I like, and I don't know, but this one out here is like really fun to work with, but I don't know why I ain't reached for it. I got so many eyeshadow palettes that I don't know. I just forget about them sometimes. But that's the good thing about subscription boxes. It's easy to build your collection at a whole lot cheaper price. And I like that. But, and I've said "and" a lot. I don't know why. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did enjoy this Boxycharm unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you would like to try Boxycharm for yourself, I will leave the link down below. They normally have something like if you refer a friend, you both get some kind of free product. And that's really nice of them. And I need to quit saying "and." I don't know. I think when you don't film in a day or two, you get really nervous. And I don't know why. Because you're sitting in a room by yourself. But it makes you nervous. Sometimes you get nervous when you ain't filmed in a couple of days. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.